Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry and rice. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need curry powder, rice, and your preferred protein like chicken or chickpeas. Don't forget fresh vegetables such as onions, garlic, and ginger to build a delicious flavor foundation. Measure 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water for the perfect rice consistency. Achieving fluffy rice is simple. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Next, combine the rinsed rice with 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Bring the water to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Now, let's build the curry's rich flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan and sauté your chopped onions, garlic, and ginger until they are fragrant and softened. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder, cooking for about 1 minute to toast the spices. Finally, add 1 can of diced tomatoes and 1 cup of creamy coconut milk, bringing it to a gentle simmer. To finish your delicious meal, add your pre-cooked protein, such as chicken or chickpeas, and any other vegetables you desire to the simmering curry. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together and everything to heat through. Serve your hot, aromatic curry generously over the perfectly fluffy rice, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.